Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I know I didn't get a chance to do the Walgreens ad preview or the CVS ad preview. There were just so many great deals going on this week. I did the Ibotta haul and a second Walgreens haul because of all those amazing digital boosters that we got for some hot moneymakers and freebies. But I still definitely want to do the must-do deals videos for Walgreens, and I will be posting CVS shortly as well today. There are some great deals going on next week, definitely a better week than the current week, even if that's hard to imagine because the current week we got so many great deals. There are some Ibotta rebates for next week as well that I will dive into. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner. I do have that giveaway still going on. If you haven't checked out my Walgreens haul video, the first haul I did on Monday, I will have it linked in the description box. Make sure you head over there, check out that video, and enter in the giveaway. There will be 3 different winners announced on Sunday, and each of you will be getting some amazing, amazing gifts, as well as a $10 gift card for each winner. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. Scott Paper Products, the reason why I wanted to show this deal for you guys is because I've been seeing a lot of people posting that Scott products have been available in their stores. They haven't been available in my stores yet. I think I saw like a Charmin, like one Charmin at CVS, and that was it. The paper towels I'm starting to see, but they're not the Scott. I've been seeing some Bounty. But if you guys are able to get these, drop a comment. Let me know if you've been seeing them at your stores, what stores you've been seeing them, because I actually prefer Scott paper towels and toilet paper over like Bounty and all those other ones, because my paper towel holder is small. So when we use the Bounty and the other like huge paper towel rolls, they don't even fit, which is like a huge pain in the butt. So anyway, this deal is going on next week. It is for the paper towels, toilet paper, or the 4-pack of the Kleenex tissues. So what you're going to do is pick up any one of them. I just did the scenario on the toilet paper. They are $5 every single week at Walgreens. So that is their standard price. It's printed right on the packaging. We are getting a new Walgreens IVC coupon book. So that is the book of savings. There is a digital version you can clip, or it is going to be in that book of savings, which is right in the front of the store, typically right next to your weekly ads. The digital version is going to say $1.25 off with card. Any digital coupon that says with card is going to be a Walgreens coupon. So that's how you know the difference. Then we're also getting a $1 digital coupon, which is amazing. So this is a very beginner-friendly deal. No paper coupons, no inserts needed. Final cost is going to be just $2.75. Old Spice Deodorant. So the current week is amazing, amazing deals because we have the Ibotta rebates and those purchase-based coupons to lower your out-of-pocket cost. If you want to wait, next week you can do it. I'm not sure when the Old Spice Deodorant Ibotta rebate expires. Mine hasn't reset yet because I did mine yesterday I did mine the day before at Walgreens. So just double check your Ibotta accounts, see if you have it, and see the expiration date. It may still be good for next week, but I'm not sure. So they are on sale, 2 for $10. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Now, if you still have the 4 off of 2 digital, you can use it for next week. I have the 8 off of 4 digital that says it expires on June 13th. So we can still use them next week. Or if you've already used yours the current week, we are going to be getting a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So final cost with the $1 off 2 is going to be just $1 for both. So still going to be an amazing deal regardless. If you have that 4 off of 2 coupon, you'll pay $6, get back a $4 register reward. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta. My account showed $2 back each, so you're going to get back $4. Some accounts do vary, so just check your account, see what you have. Final cost is going to be free and a $2 moneymaker, which is amazing. especially getting the $4 back on Ibotta. That is actual cash back. If you're not signed up on Ibotta, here is my code. Definitely sign up on this app. I do Ibotta hauls every single week. We have tons of bonuses that we can always get. And Ibotta is great for a lot of food deals as well. So if you're trying to save more money on your groceries, that is definitely the app to use. And if you don't know how to use the Ibotta app, click the video above. It's also linked in the description box for how to use the Ibotta app. So it goes over all the different features and the best way to get those bonuses. Claritin Chewables. So there's two different ways you can do this deal. This is one way, and then I'll go into the next way right after. So the Cool Mint Chewables, the 24 count, is the one you're going to want to buy for this deal. They're $19.99, which is not a bad price because at Walmart, they're like $19.82. So it's almost the exact same. There is going to be a $6 digital coupon. We are getting them in the Sunday paper as well. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $4 back. My Ibotta rebate doesn't show an expiration date. Typically, it'll let you know when there's a couple days left, so it should still be valid for next week. Final cost would be just $9.99. The better way to do the deal, you're not going to use that digital coupon or the paper coupon. You're going to pay the $19.99, submit it to Swagbucks. If you're new to Swagbucks, that is a new app that I am doing. Link is in the description box to get signed up. You're going to get back 1,500 Swagbucks, which is the equivalent to $15, which is amazing. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta again for the $4 back. Final cost is just 99 cents. The good thing about Swagbucks and Ibotta is you can cash out to PayPal and then transfer it to your bank. So it actually is cash back. If you want to do gift cards, you can. I personally like getting the cash. So the reason why you're not going to want to use that digital coupon is because the Swagbucks offer states you cannot combine it with a coupon or it may reject your submission. So I would rather get $15 back than use a $6 digital coupon. So that is why I'm just recommending not to use that coupon. Okay, another nice freebie for everyone. This is super beginner friendly, no coupons needed. So the Mentos Clean Breath Mints. I put Mentos gum because I thought it was, but these are actually the breath mints. So they should be tagged in your store, so just double check what is available. They will be $1.29 next week. And when you buy one, you get a $1.29 register reward. So final cost is completely free. If you want to do this deal a couple times, you can, but you do have to do it in separate transactions. You can't buy, 5 Mentos gum. You're only going to get one register reward back if it's in the same transaction. So just a heads up on that. Okay, so more plates and cups and bowls we can stock up on next week at Walgreens. So Dixie is on sale, buy one, get one half off. Sometimes we get spoiled and get buy one, get one free. So this is definitely not the best deal, but still some great savings. So there's two ways to do this deal as well. You can use the $1 off 2 digital coupon that we have coming on Sunday. You'll pay $4.98 for both or $2.50 each. Or you can go to dixieplates.com, print 2 75-cent off 1 coupons. That'll take off $1.50. Then you'll pay just $4.48 for 2 or $2.24 each. So, like I said, not the best deal, but still some great savings. Nice storage bags, back again. Buy one, get 2 free. So they're always $2.79 for the different storage bags. The nice small trash bags are included as well. I've never purchased those, so I don't know the price point. But the deal that I put together is to get 3. You can mix and match different varieties of the storage bags. They're $2.79 and 2 will ring up completely free. So if you have any spend boosters or anything that you're trying to do, when you have a sale that has free items, the free item will not ring up towards your total. So what I mean by that is this is only going to ring up as $2.79 towards your total of $20 or whatever you need to hit. So just keep that in mind to make sure your math isn't off. So your final cost will be 93 cents each. Some hair care deals are back, which I'm super excited to stock up on. We didn't get many hair care deals the current week. So Loreal Elvive, we are getting a $2 off to IVC coupon in that Walgreens book of savings. Again, there is a digital version you can clip and send to your card. So they are on sale 2 for $8. Using that IVC coupon and a $4 digital coupon, final cost is $2 for both or just $1 each. So this is another great beginner-friendly deal. No inserts or anything needed. And of course, this will track towards Walgreens Beauty. Every $50 you spend on beauty products, you're going to get an additional 5,000 points back. So that is everything for the must-do deals for Walgreens next week. If you have any questions, of course, drop a comment, let me know. We are getting 3 inserts on Sunday. I keep praying I'll get that Retail Me Not. For some reason, they seem to have stopped it in my region. But we are set to get a Retail Me Not, a Smart Source, and a P&G insert. So you may want to definitely pick up some newspapers this weekend or order some inserts online. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.